We have named our project as Alcoholic Indicator. The members of our project are Balaganesh S, Harish E, Deepak M and Hariharan A. Drunk and drive. Drunk and drive is a really serious issue in which the most of the accident takes place only due to drunk and drive. Literally, we have done this project to stop these kinds of accidents. Let's have a small statistics on drunk and drive. 20 people die daily due to drunk and drive for past 10 years. Mostly the victims are most affected. The person cannot be treated until the alcoholic percent is drained out of him. Let's have a small comparison. Total number of deaths due to drunk and drive is 90,000 for past 10 years, and the total number of deaths due to coronavirus is less than 80,000 till September 16. Probability of death in India is 60% and probability of death in India is 1.6%. Deaths all over the world is 45 lakhs and deaths all over the world is less than 10 lakhs. Probability of death is 33.8% all over the world. In probability of death all over the world is 4%. Automotive fuse. Fuses which are used in automobiles are known as automotive fuse. These fuses can be seen both in two-wheelers and also in four-wheelers. Automotive fuse are mostly connected to the positive terminal of the battery. It blows when accidentally touching the wrong terminal of the dead battery. Vehicle cannot start without the power of battery. Alcoholic indicator. Arduino is used as a microcontroller. MQ3 sensor is used as an alcoholic detector. GSM is used to send the text message and relay is used. The relay is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. We have used an DC motor as a replacement for the delay. Now let's see about the working of a relay. In working of the relay, if the voltage is not given, the common is connected to normally closed. When the voltage is given, the coil get magnetized and the common is connected to the normally open. Relay connections. Common is connected to the one end of the fuse cable. Normally open is connected to the another end of the fuse cable. Normally closed is not connected. Ground is connected to the ground of the Arduino and VCC is connected to the plus 5 volt of the Arduino. This is the software part of our project. Serial.begin 9600 is given to start the serial monitor. 13 pin is declared as output and A1 pin is declared as an input. In void loop, an integer called range is declared in which the values of A1 are stored in range. If the range is greater than 850, that is, if the value of alcohol exceeds 850, it enters into the if condition, where 13 pin is turned low, that is the DC motor stops. The next line of code is given to change the GSM to a message mode. Now the number is fed into the GSM. Message that need to be delivered is given to the GSM. Next, we notify the GSM that the given message is in ASCII code. In else part, 13 is turned high, that is the DC motor runs continuously. This is the hardware part of my project. So this is called as GSM, which is connected to an external power supply of 12 voltage as it cannot work with 5 voltage. This is the Arduino Uno, which is connected to my laptop. This is called as MQ3 sensor, which is also called as alcoholic sensor. This is a DC motor which is used as a replacement for relay. Now I am using an hand sanitizer which contains 75% of alcohol in it. I am showing this to the alcoholic detector. Now the DC motor is turned off due to the level of alcohol indicated, and we have got a text message that driving while drunk is dangerous. Thank you.